I'm going to show you how to fix unreachable server issue in DayZ, so let's start. The first thing you need to do, go to your browser, then go to the search and type in DayZ server status, go to the down detector and select the first link. Make sure that the problem is not on your end. Go open the Steam launcher. You will be redirected to the store, so go to the view option and select library. Now in the left menu, look for DayZ, select it, make sure to have it installed. After that, select this gear icon and select on properties. Now this window will pop up, so go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files in order to recover any corrupted or missing file. For the next method, go to the search and type in cmd. Now make sure to run it as an administrator. Make sure to type in this command, ipconfig space/release, ipconfig space/renew. After that, type in ipconfig space//dns and then type in net space winsock space reset and hit enter. Now for the next method, go to the search and type in network, select view network connections appearing like this. From here you need to go look for your Wi-Fi, right click on it and select properties, scroll down and look for Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it and select this option. Now in the preferred one, select and type in 8888 and then right here type in 8844, hit enter, select OK and make sure to close everything. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.